What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to create forms in GoHighLevel. Once you're in GoHighLevel, in the left column, scroll down to Sites. In the top row, look for Forms, then select Create Form. You can then create a new form from scratch or from templates. For this video, we will start from scratch. So as you can see, we currently have first name, last name, phone, and email. If you would like to add anything else to your form, in the left corner, click Add Form Element, then look for what you would like to add and then simply drag it onto your form. Once you have completed editing your form, make sure you click Save, give your form a name, save again, and then submit. As you can see, my new form, new contact has been created. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.